Hey guys, I thought I'd show you the front brakes on an Electric Motion 2022. I'm not thrilled with the design, but it's not horrible. You actually have to take the entire brake off to get the pads out. You would think they would pull out the top, but they don't. Like on my mountain bike, you pull the pin, they pull out the top, you throw new ones in, you clean the rotor, whatever. It's super simple. This thing, you're removing the entire brake, which is no big deal, and you just lift it off of the rotor. And then they'll fall out of the bottom. They won't come out of the top. I don't know if that's just safety, simplicity, or something, but that's not horrible. So I cleaned my rotors. I sanded them down on a piece of sandpaper. They were crappy, and then I bled it slightly and I adjusted the lever. Much better. Now I can do stoppies. The rear brakes I'm not thrilled with at all. So it looks like you have to pull the entire axle to get the rear brake off. Now these bolts don't have anything to do with it. That's for splitting the caliper. But literally the caliper is wrapped around the axle, and no way to pull the pads out except for through the bottom again. Nothing on top. It's kind of sealed. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there you go. So that is annoying. Pulling the entire wheel, playing with the chain to pull the brakes off, which is, I think, kind of annoying because you just want to swap brake pads. You can do it in 5 minutes or 3 minutes on a regular bike or mountain bike, but on this thing they want you pulling the whole wheel. Not thrilled with that. All right, just want to let you know, good luck with that. It's a 2022 Electric Motion Escape. Talk to you later. Appreciate any likes and subscribes.